You searched how to buy shares of Innoviz Technologies Ltd. Innoviz is a lidar sensor and perception software company for autonomous vehicles listed on NASDAQ under the ticker INVZ. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy INVZ, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to your balance before placing a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker INVZ to find the stock. Check the search results carefully to select the correct Innoviz Technologies Ltd. listing on NASDAQ. Open the stock page to view basic company details and the price chart. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and the INVZ ticker so you are looking at the right asset. Click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to allocate, then review order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order will be queued or executed when it reopens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade, the INVZ position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same example.